Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we will learn about some links that are created between different analysis systems. Okay, so here we can see that we have two systems. One is static structure analysis and other is model analysis. And if we do the coupled analysis between different systems, then these links are created. So the first link is blue link and its end is square. So this link basically represent the data sharing between two systems. So if we select this link, okay, so here you can see that the type is share. So it means that data is shared between these two models. And if we select this one with circle and pink color, this represent the data transfer. So it means that the solution of this model is transferred to this model. Okay, so this is all about these two types of links. So there are two other types of links. So here we can see that this arrow represent is something is entering to this system. Okay, so it means that this is the input parameter of a parametric study, and this is the something is going outward from the system. So it means that this is our output parameter link. Okay, so when we did the parametric study, then this type of links are created. What is meant by parametric study we will discuss in detail in our coming lectures, but here let me give you an example. Let's suppose we have a bar. Okay, and we have some is thickness. Let's suppose we consider thickness is 10 to 20, or we can say that 11 or 12 and so on. Okay, so we have total like 11 these values for the thickness of this beam. Okay, and if we apply some force and then we calculate the FOS, factor of safety, for this. Okay, so what we will do, so this is basically our we can say the input parameter. This is the input parameter. Okay, and FOS is our output parameter. Okay, so this link represent the thickness of the link of this bar, and this will represent the output of this parametric study. And then we will got a table like this is our thickness and this is our factor of safety, and we have some like force is applied on it. Okay, if force is constant then we will not consider this, so we just consider the thickness like 10 and 11 and so on to 20, and we will get the results of factor of safety. Like thickness is 10, let's suppose factor of safety is 10. If thickness is 11, so factor of safety is 12. So when the thickness will increase, the factor of safety is will also increase. So this is called the parametric study, in which we can get the best combination. We can do this we can also change this as a variable, so we can consider force as an input variable. So we will discuss all these things in coming lectures. So why these links are created. Okay, so the next one is okay, so the next one is, let me delete this type, and this is also we can say it's called design exploration link. What it's mean, like we got the data from parametric study, and this is our T, and this is our we can say like FOS. Okay, so we get a table, and then you know that we can do design experiment. Okay, for optimization, like we can use a response surface and other like optimization tools that are available in Ansys. So we can use this for design optimization, like which thickness is optimum thickness and the factor of safety like is in the safe region, like okay. So when we will do the optimization, parametric optimization, design optimization, then these links are involved. So we will discuss all these in detail in our coming lecture. I hope you understand all about the links. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.